Subrata's kitchen. Today's recipe is a very simple breakfast recipe. Yes, I'll be showing you today how to prepare Rava Idli. There is no need to ferment this batter. You can just mix some ingredients and start doing the idlis. So let's check out the ingredients for this and get started quickly. To a wide bottomed kadai, we'll be adding around 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil heats up, we'll be adding 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. So once these starts to splutter, we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of urad dal and 2 tablespoons of chana dal. Let this turn little golden brown. To this add a few pieced curry leaves and some 4 to 5 green chilies finely chopped and some 8 to 10 cashew nuts. Saute this very nicely. Now this is done. To this we'll be adding 2 cups of rava. We'll be roasting this for 5 minutes. You can use either Bombay rava or medium sized rava for this. This is roasted for 5 minutes. Let's switch off the stove and keep this aside for cooling. To the same kadai, we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 carrots finely grated, and some chopped coriander leaves. Give this a mix. To this, we'll be adding 2 cups of curds. Add the curds while mixing. The rava and the curd should be of equal proportion. Here I have taken 2 cups of rava and hence I am taking 2 cups of curds. So now we will be adding the remaining curd to this rava. So this will be the consistency of the rava after putting the curd. As of now, I am not using any water. We will be letting this to sit for 10 minutes. This has been resting for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, this will be the consistency of the rava. Very thick. Now to this we will be adding water until we get the consistency of idli batter. So don't add more water at once. Again we will be adding very little water. This is the right consistency for the batter. Now we'll be starting to prepare the idlis. Now we'll be placing the steamer on the gas top. Now to the idli plates, I'll be smearing little oil. On this, I'll be placing some chopped tomatoes. These are cut into round pieces. On this, we'll be adding the idli batter. So this goes into the steamer. It's around 8 to 10 minutes. The idlis are steaming. We'll just check out if these idlis are done. So you can notice the idlis are perfectly cooked. At this stage, we'll be switching off the stove and we'll be serving the idlis. soft idlis are ready to eat. These are really hot and you can just enjoy this easy breakfast at home. This almost resembles a hotel style rava idli. Do give this simple breakfast recipe a try and share it with your family and friends. Do follow us on our Facebook page and Instagram page, and also visit our website www.avarta.co.in. Eat healthy and stay safe. Thank you.